bars. See some balls and spit, nigga.
Oh.
Stop coming at me.
See some balls and spit, nigga.
You coming?
Well, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
I gotta get her first, my nigga. I wanna get the
No, I wanna hear you.
I gotta get her in the footage.
Go ahead.
Listen.
You go ahead.
Flip a fucking coin.
Boing.
Oh my god.
Nah, I gotta do it to the right away. What's the time?
So,
If I switch, you gotta go on a big one.
Gotta go with?
oh, your turn.
No, you can't do that. No. That coin.
What's your phone?
Head.
Tails, nigga. But it's written, I don't care. Anything.
I ain't got you know.
Nah, just
They call me aka Kimberly Baby. These bitches trying to play me. They must be talking to hazy because they get high like Jay-Z. But believe that they come over. But believe I'm looking over. These bitches don't know that I pull them over. Like cops, they get locked, nigga. Uzi get popped. Your head get locked, nigga. Be in the hospital like I see you rock. Nigga, I drop you and see you 6 feet under. Fuck that, nigga. When I come around, I make fucking thunder. Y'all bitches ain't messing with me. Little mama ain't doing shit. Fuck got a recipe trying to get my recipes to my raps and shit. Man, you the Mac. Get smacked with the Mac. Now let me hear you say something, nigga.
oh.
Yeah.
Yo, I come with that blicky tuck, pennies up, switchblade EMS to pick 'em up. And this what you get for dissing us. I get a nigga hit while he waiting for that 6-feet bust. I'm so ill at Pops and Shells. It's a rap and talk beef. I catch him slipping that Taco Bell. And I hear that he puffs that weed, trying to be a bad boy. You ain't puff that E. You more like Babs and Remy. Keisha Cole snot nose, and that's just the way it is. Home bruh, I will spray your wig like Martin. I'm in this hallway with the thing like Shanae is. Listen, you can't fuck with C-Dot. The pump dumb, knock unit saws, how I'm jump out the Reebok. Your niggas can't help you. So your flow cold, I'm about to melt you. Kill him, write a storybook, shelf you. Niggas ain't hot at all. Niggas know I'm raw. Lose your life playing games like Saw. Cause niggas can't stop when that gun pop. You can't walk in my shoes or wear my little brother socks. Watch the bullets get loose. Niggas out of breath, he sweating. And them niggas think he hurt off the Grey Goose. I'm better, is you hearing it? He dumb. He fucked, he thought he popped the cherry. But she was on the period. Point blank period. Niggas know I'm the truth. I'll put a hole in his roof. I'll punch a hole through this dude. Act tough and get thrown off the roof like Bishop and Juice. Everybody shooting themselves. Why don't you join in? Write something, I'll stab you with your own pen. On the beat, embarrass you. Acapella, I will straight bloody marry you. Pussy, and yo, my niggas catch your body for street cred. It can get ugly, like D-Bro when he snuff red. This nigga get booked, he be telling it all. I know who's shooting on no West, I know who's selling that raw. Real bitch when the metal involved. I'm a king, you a Queen Latifah, but you ain't set shit off. If a nigga double cross me, I'll bust his head in. Squeeze, turn them baggy jeans into leggings, so it stack up. I can flip that, I'll shoot you and your bitch black. Show up where you live at. Soon as you open the door, click clack. I'm unloading like four. You smoking dust if you think that you fucking with me. Only person that's fucking with me is the bitch that's fucking me. Stay in the boy place. It's like I play and fail. How I'm just sitting on base. Y'all niggas need to get in the race, cause when the gunfire block out, ain't no coming back like Mace. You in the ring with a tiger, aim and shoot cannons, no Mariah. Fifth leave him rolling like tires. My weed look like broccoli, yo. The guns leave his head stuck stiff like Steve Harvey, bro.